Hello guys, welcome to my new video. But before we start, prepare your coffee or tea, have a seat, and let's see together what's happening in tech world today. First news is about Apple and Apple Map. If you are not user of Apple, you should know that Apple Map is look like Google Map. That's a one map, 3D or 2D, with one function that you can see streets and avenues live. And today's news is about that part. Apple says that they want to share their database of Apple Map with their AI programs to teach them. What's the meaning of that? AI programs always need data to learn more and more. And nowadays, Apple share their photos from city, avenue, jungle, anywhere to AI programs to teach it what is city, avenue, buildings, shops, what's different between human and street and trees and plants and everything. So in that case, Apple will understand more about your background. For example, you take one picture and you want to release your background. And in this case, when they share this database, system can understand better about what's different between you and one building, banner, plants, flowers, something like that, to remove it. So they need this information and this data, and always AI programs need data to be updated and for teaching, for learning. And Apple promised that they will blur people's face and after that they share it with AI programs, because too many people are worried about their privacy nowadays. That's because these cars, for example, drive in a street and make picture and take some pictures 360-degree and don't ask, are you agreed? Do you like to be inside Apple Map or not? So people are a bit worried about this privacy. And nowadays, everything is about privacy and AI. It seems that they are against each other. So Apple promised that they will blur your face, people's face, and after that they send it to AI. We should wait and see what will happen in future. Next news is about Databricks company, that they say that they can help to AI programs with not real data. I don't like to say fake data, but not real data. So it can to understand this news, I can compare this news with previous news, that people are worried about their data, and this kind of companies, Databricks, give them solution. That's it, that we will prepare for you unreal data, and you can use of this data to for practicing your AI programs. So it is their new ways, but companies don't accept it yet. Maybe in future, this kind of ideas will work better for practicing other AI programs. So it is not just Databricks. I think some companies are working on unreal data to keep safe people's privacy. So next news is about uh, Otter. Otter is one AI assistant, and it is fantastic, guys. If you are teacher or if you are CEO of one company, you have morning meetings, Otter can help you too much. So what's Otter? Otter can connect all meeting programs together. For example, I join via Google Meet, you join via, for example, Zoom, and it this program can connect all of them together. And another function is make summary of that meeting. For example, we have some one meeting, or I am teacher and you are students, for example, and we speak, and also I teach you something. This program can ignore questions and, for example, that times that we didn't speak, and just make summary of my lessons. Or we have meeting in our company, and we want a summary of that meeting. This program also do this for you. So it is very useful, guys. But new function is fantastic, guys. New function of Otter is fantastic. You can see inside the picture, Otter can join to your meeting as an AI assistant. It's really interesting to me, really amazing. It can join to your meeting, and you can ask some questions of, for example, I can say it. You can some questions of it, that what was our, for example, blocker last meeting. Or you can also, for example, one teacher can ask of Otter to remind him or her next lesson we will have exam or something like that. So during your meeting, you can call Otter. Otter come and say how I can help you, and you can say give it some duties, some news, ask some questions, or anything. So it's fantastic. I really like these questions too much, because I I always had this problem in my own life. Next news is about NVIDIA, and always we have NVIDIA every day, and it is fantastic, guys. NVIDIA AI assistant is here. So the name of this AI assistant is G assistant. That G, I think, comes from graphic assistant. That this assistant will help you to customize a game's graphic with your computer. For example, which of them should be high performance, which of them should be low, and depends of your computer and your system and your graphic card. G assistant or G assist G assistant can help you to customize your data and your computer with your game. So it's really interesting, because we had always this problem that we didn't know which of them should be high for best performance. Sometimes you cannot use, for example, it depends on your computer, you cannot use high quality for all of them. Some of them should be high quality, some of them should be average. So you don't know as a user, but G Assistant will help you about this data and games data and make one connection between them. Okay, next news is about Tesla. Again, bad news about Tesla. So people ordered a new Cybertruck, more than 1 million. And they sold less than 50,000. And it made too many questions, that why this big company cannot provide enough cars and cannot sell enough cars to people. And it had some reasons why it happened, why people are angry of Tesla. First is they couldn't provide enough cars, because it is very expensive, and it got more expensive than they expected before. So first they said that it will be, I think, if I'm right, $39,000. But after they finish it, they changed the price to $60,000. So it was second problem. So first problem, they couldn't make enough car, produce enough car. Second is price changed. And third is our last news about that run glue, that it has problem to connecting glass with car, and they recalled some cars, and people are very angry and unsatisfied about these cars. I hope that they fix these problems and come back again to this game. So, it is not normal for a big company to change the price, change the date, bad quality. I don't know how it is possible. Maybe Elon Musk should focus a bit more on these products. So it is not good. Really, it is bad. So this Waymo, I think Waymo plans robotaxi launch in Washington D.C. So robotaxis are starting their job. Even Tesla, this company, it was another company, I forgot the name, to start their job. That means without any driver, it is robotic, and it is very hard in USA to have this license. They are in process, haven't launched yet. They try to catch that license in Washington D.C. I hope to see they can catch, and other companies look like Uber or Tesla, and we can have robotic taxis too. So this company Waymo, maybe they want to start in Washington D.C. When they start, I will cover this news too. SoftBank, it's another very important, very important news today. SoftBank set to buy Ampere Computing for 6.5 billion. So what's SoftBank? SoftBank is one company that invests on AI programs, AI systems, chipsets, and generally they invest on very big companies. For example, Alibaba, for example, they had big they had big part of NVIDIA before, also TikTok, I think. Too many big companies are not owner, but big part of that companies are for them. And nowadays they bought Ampere Computing. So what Amperes do? This company make chipsets and CPU. So we can say that this company Ampere is a competitor with NVIDIA and another AMD and NVIDIA, and Ampere is also inside that competition. But some people don't know this company because it is not very famous about gaming computers. It's more about clouds and servers and AI chipsets. So SoftBank wants to invest on chipsets and be a big competitor with AMD and NVIDIA at the moment. So because of that reason, they bought Ampere, and they will work on AI more and more. So it is their first goal that be a huge company in AI programs, AI chipsets, AI CPU. I don't know about GPU, but about CPU and chipsets, they are very serious and invest too much money on this kind of technologies. So they bought Ampere to go very powerful inside that competition. Okay guys, it was today's news. I hope that you liked it. If you have any idea, please share it in the comment box. Write your comment about Tesla, about SoftBank. If you have any idea that can help me, write your idea about my video, how I can improve it, and please send it to your friends. Subscribe my channel, enable that ring to notify you when I share new video. So nothing. I will send every day, I will share every day videos for you. Wish best for you. Have a good day and wait for my new videos. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.